See, yesterday also I have conducted the demo. So if you are already attended, it's okay. If you are not attended, you can. I'll just repeat it. So today also it's a demonstration day. So we are going to be start our regular sessions from Monday 9 p.m. That is one note, right? So what exactly we are going to be learn during our course? So that is what I'm going to be explained today as part of demo. So basically, when Android, if I would like to learn, so what kind of strategy we will follow and what kind of market and what kind of job you will get, whether it is okay or you will have future or not, these many questions will have, right? So basically Android earlier, it was introduced in the year 2009-10. So since from there to now, so what are all the different changes came and how we are surviving in the market? Will it have future scope or what? Those are all I'm going to be clarified. So Android, it is introduced into the market in the year 2009 and 10 in between. So at that time we have normal phones and some smartphones are available in the market like iPhone, Samsung with bad operating system, blah 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 something. But this operating system intention is they would like to implement a free mobile operating system with a low cost uh, uh, mobile manufacturer. So that is their main intention, and that too the operating system what they would like to implement. So that should be open source, completely free of cost. Okay. So next, what will happen if um, after giving this is as open source, what happened in the market? Slowly, what become the future of Android? So when they introduced into the market, it is just a mobile operating system, and using the mobile operating system, we started implementing mobile applications. Later in the near future, after that, smart TV started coming into the market with Android operating system, smartwatches with Android, car infotainment devices with Android. You see nowadays many cars with many competitors are available, right? So everyone is providing 7-inch screens, 8-inch touch screens, 10-inch touch screens, 12-inch, 17-inch. The revolutionary it is keep going, many features they are offering. So you may get opportunities in the car domain even. So smart TV, smart watches, car infotainment, and mobile operating system. So I'm expecting in the nearby futures, the same trend will continue with electronic bikes. Electric bikes are coming, right? So electric bikes also they are offering 8-inch touchscreen in Ola. Of course, they are coming with smart operating system now. Maybe definitely they are going to be integrated with Android very soon, because car infotainment we are working with that. Similar things they may easily adopt with the electric vehicles. I'm sure very near future we'll get it. So to implement all kind of these things, what are all I need to learn? You don't need to work hard. You don't need to work hard to learn this. Just what is our main intention is we just need to know about how effectively we have to work out Android SDK. If you know the procedure, that's more than enough. As I told, like it is a mobile operating system, and they have given an SDK, software development kit, to implement our Android applications. Okay, so how we are going to be implement Android applications using our SDK? Okay, so how they have provided that I have given here. So yesterday, as I explained, like a definition I provided. What is the Android definition I'm providing as software stack for implementing or developing Android applications. So many kind of Android applications you can develop now. Earlier mobile, now smartwatch, smart TV, car infotainment. In the nearby future, it is electric vehicles, I'm sure. So basically, what exactly the meaning of software stack? Basically, stack in the sense we can say like it's a bunch of data, right? So framework we can call software stack it is. What exactly a framework? A plan with a portion implemented, some portion implemented. Okay, if you would like to purchase a mobile, you no need to create your own. In the market, it is already existed, right? Same kind of thing they followed for implementation. So this complete Android SDK, when you started downloading Android, it will come. So basically, how we will implement Android application in our Android is, we are going to be use Android SDK that we can able to download by when downloading Android Studio IDE. Android Studio IDE means integrated development environment, where our where if I would like to implement any Android application, okay, I need some tool or interface to download. Using Android Studio IDE, we are able to implement Android application. In that, I could be able to implement complete application. Okay, so how we are going to be implement Android application means two parts we need to divide. Not only Android, any of the application in the world, we are going to be work out with the two parts, front end, back end. So altogether I can able to implement using Android Studio IDE. So this Android Studio IDE front end, Android front end, how we are going to be design? What exactly a front end? So front end is nothing but some user interface we need to implement, which will be displayed on the mobile screen. By seeing the screen, user can understand what exactly he need to do in the screen. Okay, so what exactly we are going to be work out with the screen? You don't need to worry, everything is drag and drop, all the things are predefined. For example, user interface, password, login button, these are the login screen configurations. So whenever I have taken login screen, that login screen contains username, password, and login button. All the fields are already available in our Android Studio as part of front end. So you just need to drag and drop. When it is drag and drop, it will come with a code. It will come with a code that is called XML code. So how XML code will be look like? For example, XML language. So just we'll have some images so that you will be understanding very easily. See, like this you will get. I'll open this complete one. The image it is there. I think you are able to see. This is the code. This code is called XML code. So when you are started implementing your user interface screen, so here two tabs are available. I'll show you. See, design window. So here, this is design window. This is split window. Split window means code will come, screen will come. Design window means only screen will come. When you open design window, this side, you will get palette. So in the palette, you would be able to have many options to integrate. For example, I need a button, I need a checkbox, everything is available. See here, this image is showing that one. So here layouts are there. I'll zoom in. See, this is called XML code. XML code of button, XML code of text view. So just compare this and this. ID there is, I2 width is there, text is there. Same properties are available here, but extra properties are there. Why? What is the purpose? So what exactly the screen design? See, this is. So how we are going to be learn this one? XML language. It's completely my responsibility. You don't need to worry about. So I will take care teaching about XML and its properties. Everything I am going to be take care. Rest all you need to take practice. That's it. Okay. The next one. The next one, what I'm expecting. Just a moment. Okay. The next one, what I'm expecting is we need to start implementing the application backend. So how we are going to be implement the application backend? So to implement application backend, we need to work out something like you need to know Java OOPS concepts. But before that, if I would like to write a Java backend, what exactly I need to write? XML, it is my responsibility. I will take care. But how about writing this backend? So backend, if you need in Android, two types of things are available. One is you could be able to write. You could be able to write in Java, and second option you could be able to write with Kotlin. So two languages are available. Okay. So basically, I am going to be continue with Java only. So in Java, OOPS concepts are enough for us. So how to create object, what is class, what is constructor, parameterized, non-parameterized constructor, and what is inheritance interface. If you are very familiar with that collection framework, writing if else condition, switch case loop, if you are familiar with that, that's more than enough for me. Other than that, nothing is there. Okay. So next one, Kotlin. For Kotlin, I am not the faculty, So in DURGASOFT, another faculty will be there. If you are really interested with Kotlin, you can do. But the difference between Java and Kotlin both are Java is OOPS based, Kotlin is JavaScript based. Both are similar. Okay. Even it is writing with JavaScript, but it follows same SDK. It follows same as SDK. So what SDK it contains? Android SDK. So in the Android SDK, majorly we have 5 components. Okay. So what are the 5 components? First one is activity. Second one is intent. Third one is service. Fourth one is broadcast receiver, and then content provider. So what exactly an activity? So activity is nothing but you need to create a .java class. In terms of Kotlin, you need to create Kotlin class, KT class. Okay. So the screen what it is displaying on the mobile, how it is doing is with the help of activity. So whatever the screen you implemented, that is an XML file. For the screen, you need to implement backend logic. Am I correct? There is login button. So what is the login button functionality? When you just click on login button on the screen, first username entered or not. If not entered, I will ask user to enter. If password is entered or not, password is not entered, I will ask user to enter password. If both are present, then I will check with the database whether he is a registered user or not. If he is not a registered user, I will ask please register yourself. I need to show sign in. If he is a valid user already registered, so then I need to take to him to another screen. Like this kind of logic I can implement with the help of activity. Every screen what you are implementing in our Android, that is a activity. But whenever you are using activity, the execution of activity, how it will go, a separate user interface thread will be created in the operating system that is responsible to execute activity. So how many activities you have written, those many user interface threads will run, which will make your application burden. So to avoid that confusion or to avoid that things, Android introduced fragments concept. What exactly a fragment is? Fragment and activity both are similar, but fragment it cannot execute directly. Activity can execute directly. Fragment, if you would like to execute, you need to attach fragment with the activity. That means the place of the activity you are utilizing by displaying the fragment screen. Okay, so activity screen, what it contains, that space I am utilizing with the help of activity. Okay, so other than that, how to create fragment, how we are going to be execute, what is the life cycle, similar way activity contains life cycle, blah 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 things will be there. After that, adapters concept is there. Nowadays shopping cart applications are there. Shopping cart applications are used to display too much content, huge content. How we are going to be serially organize the content, so that will be taken care by adapters. All this together I am going to be discussed. It will take 20 hours, that means 20 days to finish the activity. Okay, so it will take 20 days for me to work out this one, so please make a note of it. And next one, second core component, which is called intent. So what exactly this intent is? So intent means communication between each other components. For example, I want to call a service from activity. How activity and service need to be communicated? I want to call a broadcast receiver from activity. That will be taken care by intent. Actually, in intent, two types of communication is available. One is Android SDK have some hidden features. Those hidden features, if I would like to integrate in my Android application, I will write this intent, implicit intent. Two types. Implicit means hidden features, or implicit, predefined. Predefined features will be there. For example, what exactly a predefined feature is? You will receive a call screen will come, right? If you accept call, active call screen will come, right? So if you want to send SMS, okay, so message app will be loaded. Okay, if you want to launch any browser from your app, that is possible with the intent. So predefined actions are available in our Android. Those I am going to be introduced. Along with that, we have one more thing, explicit intent. What exactly a explicit intent is? If I would like to make communication between other things, I will write explicit. Okay, all together I will explain. It will take 10 classes, that means 10 days to explain about complete intent. Okay, next, service is nothing but a long running task. If I would like to execute it in background, okay, for that I used to create service. For example, two types of services are available in our Android. One is, if you launch the map, if you book a cab, the cab will be arrived to your location, and from your location towards destination, when you are going, the location will keep getting updated. So how it is means, location task, your Google Maps will be keep updating with the data. That is a location service. Okay, like that you will have Wi-Fi, vibration, notification, alarm. Okay, and you will have power, battery, so many services are available. Network services, I'm going to be explain about those things. And even Android is giving customized service. If you would like to implement your own service, for example, nowadays many music applications are available like Spotify, Wing Music, Ghana, right? How those guys are implementing means, there is one album, consider there is one album with 100 songs. Just you need to initiate a play button. When you click play all button, automatically 100 songs will keep running in the background. And by minimizing your music app, you could be able to check other applications, and you will continue with other work also. So that kind of things it is provided by Android. So it will take complete 6 hours, that means 6 days, to explain about service. Next, broadcast receiver is there. Broadcast receiver is, it is also similar like our service, which is a background task, but the task should be registered. For example, alarm is there. Tomorrow morning 5 a.m. I would like to wake up. Now itself I will set an alarm. So setting an alarm now itself, that is a, you are registering a task. So the task is going to be executed by Android runtime layer, which is available by Android SDK. Okay, so this service Android runtime layer is responsible to execute the registered service. Okay, so that is nothing here but a broadcast receiver. Notifications you are getting. Okay, so push notifications, flash sale, those things, everything I am going to be teach to you with the things. So it will take four days or 4 classes to complete about broadcast receiver. In these, two types of broadcast messages will be there. One is instant broadcast, second one is custom broadcast. I need to explain both together. Next, fifth concept is content provider. What exactly a content provider is, we need to learn about Android local database, that is predefined SQLite. That SQLite database, what it will do exactly is the contacts, the messages, what you are receiving, everything will be stored in your Android SQLite database. Other than that, based on your application need, you need to store your data. But this whatever the database we are creating, that is completely hidden. You can't able to see the data, and how you need to insert, you don't know. Everything is dynamic, which we need to write everything with the dynamic queries. So what are the queries? How to create table, how to retrieve data, how to update data, how to delete data, how to create local database, what classes are useful to create database, everything I am going to be provide. Okay, so next one I'm going to be provide about device contacts. How your application can also read your mobile device, it can read the contacts. That example also I am going to be provide. Okay, this is part of content provider. Addition of that, I am going to be add how can I invoke external databases by integrating web service into our Android application. So external databases in the that means it is a SQL service, MySQL service, Oracle databases. So many databases are available outside. So can my Android application integrate the data by communicating with the external database? So directly it is not possible, but we have an option by integrating web service. So web service is a program implemented by web application developers. You will get it like a URL. For example, Google page is also a web service. Gmail is a web service. Okay. Similar, like if ICICI Bank or Axis Bank, everything you are able to access their server, means it is a web service. Nowadays, every application we are able to communicate with the external servers. That is with the help of this web service concept. Okay, the output response you will get in the format of JSON, only JSON. So the JSON, how we need to display the data, JSON parsing techniques you need to know. So if you know the JSON parsing technique, then only you could be able to integrate this feature. Okay, so it will take 2 days to explain about complete structure, how we are going to be integrate each web service in our Android. Okay, along with that, I am going to be explain about Firebase. Firebase is a third party tool where it is offering many services like integrate Facebook, integrate Facebook login, Gmail login, Twitter login, LinkedIn login, like that, and push notifications. Okay, and if your application need external databases storage purpose, that is also available. And if you need some other features like crash analytics, Google analytics, how many people are install your application, any crash occurred, what are at what point, which device, what code making your application crash, everything, the data will be sent to you. So that is FCM, how we are going to be integrate. So these are the highly advanced concepts. Every application nowadays what we are designing, implementing, that will be adding with this FCM. Everything I am going to be explain to you. The complete course duration I would like to conclude with 45 days. That means 45 hours every day. The session timings 9 to 10. I am available 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. only one session rest of the things I need to spend with Office. Okay, so that's all from my side. If you have any queries, please let me know. And this is just a demo session, you no need to worry. The same things will be repeated during our course also. There is nothing more than this in Android. So Android is very completely useful, and if you consider market also, I'll show you Google statistics. I'm not telling any, I'm not bluffing anything. Okay, just check here, whatever I'm typing here, market share worldwide. So I'm taking some stack counter is the one. Worldwide we are occupying 70.97%. iPhone very recently it is increased, earlier it is 25. There are no new releases from Android because of COVID. The market got fall down. See, you can observe slightly fall down from here. Earlier it is approximately 78. Okay, so there is a small fall down. Okay, so if it is India wide, for example, if I would like to go India wide, how it will be in India. So market share India 94.91. This is the huge difference. So plenty of opportunities, guys. If you just know the skill, you can easily grab the job. Okay, just what makes you perfect. Whenever I am explaining the concept, you just need to understand the concept and start your own thinking, practice it. That's it. You are ready within 3 months. One and a half month for sessions, 1.5 month for your practice. Within 3 months, you will be ready to face any kind of interview. Okay, so that's all from my side. If you have any queries, please let me know. If you don't have any queries, if you are really interested to join the sessions, you can join from Monday 9 p.m. onwards. So Monday I'm going to be start the first session, introduction to Android. So first 3 days or 4 days there will be theory only. So after 1 week only we will completely shift into the program, because first you need to know major important things. So after 3 classes I am going to be start user interface, teaching about XML. After that I am going to be start Android SDK explanations. That's all from my side, guys. Any questions, please ask. One more point I forgot. So every session will be recorded. The recorded video will be shared by DURGASOFT. Okay, that's all my side. That's it. Anyone have any queries, please let me know, or else we'll end the meeting. We'll take our session from Monday onwards. Yes, actually, whatever the samples we are discussing, the samples first I'm going to be share with you. The previous batches samples will be there. The samples will be given to you on time. Running notes will be provided. See, for material, I'm as per my busy schedule, I won't prepare any material, but I will tell you the good path for finding all the concepts. Okay, developer.android.com website. It's more than my material. You no need to worry. And even what I can say, what are all advanced it is coming, you can get it from here. I'm not bluffing you, I'm not telling you, so I can't prepare more than this. You can get all the features available, and everything will be available. For example, exactly they are going to be provided in the Android 13. See, complete website, it's absolutely free. So developer preview, they are trying to launch this 13 by July or August or September, they are going to be released. So in the 13, what are all the new implementations? Okay, behavior changes, new features. What are the new features they are going to be provided? See, first feature, user experience, themed app icons. So if you need that themed app icons, see the detailed discussion they have given. Okay, and they have given the code also. Okay, everything. So I can't prepare this much data, you know. That's what I really don't suggest any hard copy of material. Okay, so please excuse me for that, but I request you to visit this. Other than that, what are all the samples we are going to be discussed, that I will provide. Running notes I am going to be provide. Okay, and daily discussed video that it will come. So I think I'm clear. So any other question? Even of course, if you're stuck somewhere also, I will help you by explaining that. Okay, you don't need to worry about it. Sir, I read it, but I was unable to understand, so I can easily make you understand by explaining it. That promise also I'm doing. What else? Any other queries? Don't hesitate to ask. Okay, so uh, uh, it's all open for you, so you can discuss any point with me regarding. Even if I am not giving a proper explanation, you can ask me, sir, I am unable to understand. Okay, so I can explain it, no worry, because I would like to improve myself by taking feedback from you. So how much I could be able to explain you, that will give more confidence to me, and it will make my um, teaching skills, my explanation skills also. I like your feedback. I won't take anything bad. Okay, so everything will be positive only. Politely I will take. Don't worry. Any question you can ask anytime. Okay. So hope no queries. So if you don't have no queries, you can exit the meeting. We'll meet again on Monday. Monday 9 p.m. sharp. Okay, guys. I'm concluding now. Thank you so much for joining. So see you on Monday. Happy weekend. Thank you all.